So this is junk pork. When I save the meat for make a soup, tom yum soup, I have the junk pork left over. So I'm gonna go ahead deep fry crispy junk pork. Never throw away. I got a lot of fat here and there, but you can cook, let oil come out. So this is my ingredient: sugar, salt, and chicken broth. That's it. So 1 spoon. Okay, this is gonna be 1 spoon of this sugar, and this one gonna be 1 spoon too. And chicken broth, 1 spoon. So to cooking crispy pork, have to be a little bit salty because I'm gonna eat this crispy pork with rice, so we can make a little salty. So 2 spoons of salt. So basically, skin pork crispy. All right, I can get seasoning. All right, so go ahead, massage seasoning, let them mix all over. Oh, I forgot to cut this one. I have left one more. All right, no problem. Gonna go ahead deep fry and come back to you later. Okay? It's my technique. Just go ahead. I drop oil in there a little bit because oil make easy to cooking. I don't have to put just a little bit oil. That's it. I don't have to put oil in the pot when I'm cooking. So just go ahead seasoning with this and let them moist all together. Then we drop in the pot after that. Let them be seasoning about half hour. Marinate for half hour. Then I come back deep fry to show you how to deep fry. Okay? Right? Ready? Already done. The secret is seasoning with oil. All my ingredients just like I show you. Okay, so I'll be back another half hour to deep fry that I show you final. Okay, 30 minutes been by, so I'm gonna go ahead deep fry to show you how to deep fry. Turn on the stove. Alright, turn on the stove. Okay, about let the pot get hot for 1 minute. I'll be back. Okay, the pot getting hot right now. I'm gonna go ahead. Crispy pork junk pork. Alright, let them cook for 5 minutes and stir again. Okay, 3 minutes went by. Go ahead, stir. Alright, take a little time. Junk pork. You always make something to eat, have some fun. You can make crispy junk pork and then drink wine. Appetizer. So don't need to throw away. It's so easy. Very easy.ทอดน้ำมันหมูทอดแคบหมูเด้อทอดกรอบๆมากินเด้อง่ายๆนึงไม่ได้ easy to do things ง่ายๆ Okay, just keep cooking until they get brown. Keep turn make it even cook. So easy, guys. Very easy. Don't throw anything away. Always cook some have fun eating. This is look like a lot of fat, but when I cook no more fat in here. That's the good thing about junk pork right here. No more fat after I cook. Okay, 20 minutes been by. So now look at that. But it is crispy, okay? Take time. This is 20 minutes been by. All the water dry out. Now the pork get crispy and golden color now. Golden yellow. Alright, be back another 10 minutes. Alright, this is after 5 minutes been by. Alright, look at that. Good now. Bomb that time, guys. Getting good. Anything you have, you're not lazy, always make things happening and eating fun food. Yep, so I've been going down, so all this oil gonna be dry out. No more fat in here. Be back. Okay, after 5 minutes, look at that. Oh yes, almost there, guys. When they cook it down, the fat about to disappear. No more fat. This is like I show you. When you're seasoning, you put the oil a little bit. Look at that, how fat coming out. A lot of fat coming out. So you're not eating this fat right here. Alright, back another 5 minutes again. Every 5 minutes, every check. Look at that. I'm getting there. Wow, look at that. Every 5 minutes. They turn the color. Golden yellow. Beautiful. Okay, be back another 5 minutes. Or we check every 5 minutes. That's crazy. But it's getting good now. Getting good. Fat pork. Crispy. If whoever fan with fat oil, I mean pork oil, you can save that to cooking with vegetable, the more flavor. The Chinese people, they always use the fat oil cooking when you go to a restaurant and you don't even know that. That's why the food tastes so good, because they use this fat oil right here. Yeah, they use this one right here cooking for you. Oh yes, but there, you know, like I said, Chinese people, they use the fat right here to cooking for us. That's why the food tastes so good. They never lose. They love the fat pork. You don't even know. You know, Chinese cuisine, the cooking, they're using this. And I'm not using this. I'm a throw away because I'm not eating fat oil. I just eat crispy, young pork crispy. That's it. Oh wow, look at this. This is final. Done. Alright, take it out and enjoy and sit down and eat crispy pork. Oh my goodness, so good. Look at this, guys. Ready to take off from the deep fry now. Alright, just take off. Oh yeah. See that? Alright. Bucket right now. Get ready. Take the oil out and then ready to serve. Okay, ready to drop off to the place now. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh yes. See, look at crispy pork, guys. Man, I'm telling you. Wow. After 45 minutes, here you have it. Crispy pork, guys. Crispy young pork. Ready to eat and enjoy. Drink with wine. I mean, eat with wine. And eat and drink beer. Eat and drink wine. Look at that. Okay, guys, if you like to do this, just go ahead, take a look and follow. Seasoning is very easy and so simple. Go ahead and do it and enjoy your family and friends. When you have a lot of junk pork, don't throw away. Just go ahead, deep fry right away, okay? Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe for me, please. Thank you. Bye bye.